here's how to set up the wave on a string simulation. So first off, notice we have manual oscillate and pulse. I suggest using oscillate to start out with, and then no end. So you can also see that we have a play button. This one does a frame by frame. This does slow motion and normal. Slow motion can be very useful if you want to, this can move kind of fast, you see. We have some tools that we can use when we're looking at the wave, so slow motion helps a lot. We can make better comparisons to what these guys are doing with that line. And so if we look at some of the other buttons, some of the other tools that we can measure with, well, let's set our damping to none, because that makes our wave, you'll see it's the same, consistent all the way throughout, and that makes it easier for us to explore. We've got these rulers, we've got this timer, we've got these reference lines that can be used to kind of measure different points. So there's a bunch of different tools that you can use whenever you're working with this simulation. You can manipulate the frequency by using this slider. So I want you to see what happens. What is different when we change the frequency? Maybe get a ruler and check what is the length from here to here. What's the length from here to here on that wave? So I'll go ahead and change the frequency. I want you to look at how does this change the wave. If you get that ruler, what points could you measure? What would be the distance between the green points? What would be the distance between the tops, the crest of the wave, and the bottoms, the valleys, or the troughs of the wave? And so I'm going to go ahead and reset my frequency, and now let's see what happens if I change amplitude. So what's going on here? How could I use that ruler to maybe better break down what's going on in this wave? So that's just kind of a tour of this simulation, so you're a little bit less overwhelmed whenever you're getting started out with it.